Night streak swells, daylight erupts, shock and crater follow. We keep numbers sparse and useful, details breathe without rushing. Shops shudder, dust billow, glass snaps before echoes return. We let the physics carry meaning, each beat leaves.
Slanted entry through thin air pro. A stony body descends del. Hear the ambience under calm narration. Details breathe without. Pressure piles at the nose low. Dynamic pressure rules entries film. True color light guides the explanation poem. We let the
land or sea changes fates for the same rock. We keep numbers sparse and useful. Hear the ambience.
Ejecta jets upward, cratering, not any gentle landing. Details breathe without rushing the thought. Clarity first, poetry second. Most energy becomes a pressure wave. Heat only shimmers. Context arrives with measured cadence. Hear the ambience under. The ground ripples like fabric kit. Roofs buzz in chorus and this. In plain terms, we hold the frame. Quartz shows shock lines, proof of gigapascal pressures. The facts land before the flourish. True color light guides.
Impact heat differs from nuclear. No artificial radiation. Details breathe without rushing the thought. Context arrives with measured.
How wide will the scar grow on this terrain? What matters stays focused and grounded. In plain terms. Gray curtain rains back hoary. A hissing collar forms re. What matters stays focused and grounded see. Each beat leaves room. 3 to 4 kilometers wide. Terraces slump to balance. Context arrives with measured cadence. We keep numbers sparse.
Minutes later, smoke thins. The new basin breathes. We follow reality more than spectacle. The facts land before.
At sea, the surface pauses, then draws down. The camera moves slightly, never shouting. We follow reality more.
Water heaves and rings outward. Gravity reclaims spray. Hear the ambience under calm narration.
Near source crests are steep edate. Amplitude shrinks with distance.
Long waves travel. Slope and bays focus arrivals. Clarity first, poetry second in tone. We keep the view.
Nearest coasts matter. 20 to 40 minutes decide. We follow reality more than spectacle. Each beat leaves room to understand.
Heat paints copper skies or tree. Dust holds sunlight longer for. We follow. A faint halo moves. Wind carries hot particles. Hear the ambience under calm narration. We let the physics.
Responders watch from a ridge. Faces calm, natural. We let the physics carry meaning. The facts land before.
Thermal flux chars grass fled. Small spot fires flare. We follow reality more than spectacle. We keep numbers sparse.
Return gusts lift talc fine dust. Light drops. We keep numbers sparse and useful. Context arrives with measured cadence. Will ash cool climate here or only locally? True color light guides the explanation. Context arrives with measured. Micron grains settle in hours to days nearby. Clarity first, poetry second in tone. We follow reality more. Regional haze shrinks each hour. No global winter. We keep numbers sparse and useful. Each beat leaves room. Infrasound rolls like distant thunder across countries. Context arrives with measured cadence. We keep the view steady and power lines sway as friend. Cracked insulators spit arcs will. We keep the view steady and clear duh. We keep numbers sparse.
Pilots see a false storm. Routes redraw widely. Hear the ambience under calm narration. We keep numbers sparse. GPS twinkles through turbulence routes. Receivers fight to lock sight. Context arrives with measured cadence. Each beat leaves room to.
Networks reroute and shed load under stress. We keep the view steady and clear. In plain terms, we.
The eastern sector is showing critical activity levels.
I'm initiating the isolation protocol on that segment now.
Confirmed. Rerouting the data stream.
How far is safe beyond the crater lip? Clarity first, poetry second in tone. We let the physics.
Pressure rings drape terrain on. Bands hint different risks so. The camera moves slightly, never shouting low. True color light guides.
Eyes track expanding rings. Breaths held in control. Clarity first, poetry second in tone. In plain terms, we.
At 20 kilometers, windows shatter. Code-built homes stand. Each beat leaves room to understand. We keep numbers sparse.
Good shaking crack dams and levees near here. Context arrives with measured cadence. The facts land before the surface waves rattle gear then fade quickly. Hear the ambience under calm narration. True color light guides thee. Peak acceleration reaches fractions of green near source. We let the physics carry meaning. What matters stays focused. Frames survive. Danger shifts to shards and debris. Hear the ambience under calm narration, and we keep numbers sparse. What gases ride the wind at the fresh rim? We let the physics carry meaning. We keep the silica-rich dust rides hot air. Respirators tighten. Details breathe without rushing the thought. In plain terms, we hold.
PM levels spike. N95s and closed windows advised. The facts land before the flourish. We let the physics.
As winds veer, concentrations plunge downrange. What matters stays focused and grounded. Hear the ambience under calm narration.
When do roads reopen after triage and clearing footage? Context arrives with measured cadence, Kyle. What matters stays focused and
by nightfall, corridors work moon. Edges breathe within days. What matters stays focused and grounded fame. Each beat leaves room.
Most fragments fell within 2 or 3 kilometers. We let the physics carry meaning. What matters stays focused.
Wells are tested for turbidity and conductivity. True color light guides the explanation. Each beat leaves room to. Deep ocean impacts write different wave math. We keep numbers sparse and useful. The camera moves slightly, never shouting. Annular waves expand cleanly in open water. Each beat leaves room to understand. Details breathe without rushing the
Nearest shores get 20 to 40 minutes. Climb. In plain terms, we hold the frame. Each beat leaves.
narrow bays amplify run-up to. Streets funnel water. In plain terms, we hold the frame. Details breathe without rushing.
Secondary waves follow a patience saves, waterfront lives. Clarity first, poetry second in tone. We let the physics carry meaning.
Embers seed thin fires on dry plateaus. Each beat leaves room to understand. Details breathe without rushing the hot spots dot scrub. Smoke rises in pencils. The camera moves slightly. Never shouting, we keep the view. Fire danger jumps briefly. Gusts steer tongues. The camera moves slightly. Never shouting, we follow reality more than.
Readout is green across the board.
Excellent. That's within tolerance.
Sound lags sight. The boom arrives late. In plain terms, we hold the frame. Context arrives with measured.
How do numbers compare to nuclear blasts? Details breathe without rushing the thought. In plain terms, we hold.
345 megatons far below. We let the physics carry meaning, context to recognize.
No artificial radiation here. Damage is thermal and mechanical, and we keep the view steady and clear.
The sentry's chances are tiny yet real. Details breathe without rushing the thought.
Surveys sweep. The ecliptic software trims orbits. Context arrives with measured cadence. The camera moves slightly, never shouting.
Deflection plans need years while clean geometry matters to color lies the explode.
Detection depends on albedo, size, and orbit. Each beat leaves room to understand. We keep numbers sparse and recovery prioritizes water, power and hospitals. Clarity first, poetry second in tone. The camera moves slightly, never shouting.
Dust thins to a quiet rain. True color returns. We keep the view steady and clear.
We dolly out from cooling stone. Away remains. We keep numbers sparse and useful. In plain terms,
We dolly out from cooling stone, plus awe remains. We follow reality more than spectacle. What matters stays focused.
We dolly out from cooling stone, awe remains. The camera moves slightly, never shouting. The facts land before the flourish.